Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, run a startup repair in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Repair. Type your password. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.